Hello, this is a Samsung phone. Samsung. How to set up a VPN on a Samsung phone. Follow these steps. Settings. Connections. More connection settings. VPN. VPN. 3 dots. Add VPN profile. Name. Set a name of your choice. VPN 1. Type. IKEv2 IPsec PSK. Server address. Enter the IP address or domain name of the virtual private network server. 14. 163. 120. 170. IPsec identifier. This parameter is set on the server. Peter. IPsec pre-shared key. This parameter is also set on the virtual private network server. Hello. Show. World. 789. Save. Finish adding a new profile. Press the gear icon if you want to edit. VPN 1. Connect. Connected. The above is how to set up a VPN on a Samsung phone. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.